वाहिगुरु जी का खालसा वाहिगुरु जी की फतेह. Hello friends, welcome to Sikh History Sakhi podcast. I am Harpreet Kaur, your host. In today's episode, we will discuss the meaning of 24th Pauri of Japji Sahib. Till 23rd Pauri, we have been discussing the meaning of hukam and how to accept Almighty's hukam, then the time of creation of universe, the vastness of universe, and more. Now, in this Pauri, Guru Nanak Ji further elaborates the glory of the Supreme Being from many perspectives and discusses the unlimited authority of the Creator as well as the Almighty's creation. So, let's dive in. Now, dear friends, as humans, we are always curious about what comes next. We wonder how big the universe is and where it ends. We are never satisfied with just knowing a little. We always want to know more. I am always curious too. This curiosity extends to our lives too. We are constantly striving for things like wealth, fame, and stability, as if reaching some ultimate endpoint. Moreover, even when it comes to understanding God, we are eager to unravel the mysteries of God's essence and virtues, to know the infinite and what lies beyond. However, in this body, Guru Nanak Dev Ji talks about the endlessness and what it looks like. Before moving further, friends, you will notice that throughout this body, Guru Sahib has repeatedly used the term Ant Na, where Ant means end and Na is the opposite of Ant, indicating endlessness. Now, moving towards the body. अंत न सिफती कहण न अंत अंत न करणे देण न अंत अंत न वेखण सुणन न अंत अंत न जापै क्या मन मंत. Meaning, as discussed earlier, ant refers to the end. Na, which means no or none. Therefore, this is together interpreted as without end or countless. So, Guru Nanak Ji here says that the praises of Almighty are limitless, as are the people who say them. The actions of Almighty are infinite, as are the gifts of Almighty. Now, as a human being, we have our limits to the range to which we can see or hear. However, Guru Nanak Ji says that Almighty sees everything. His vision is infinite, and so is his hearing. Let's take the example of sun. We, as humans, cannot even look at the sun with the naked eye, whereas Almighty knows of our pains, heartaches, and everything present on this earth, even the whole universe, which again is endless, as we discussed in earlier bodies. Lastly, Guruji says, Ant na jape kya man mant, which means who knows? what goes on in Almighty's man, that is, mind. No one knows the future and it cannot be perceived. Moving further with the body. अंत न जापै कीता आकार अंत न जापै पारावार अंत कारण केते बिल लाहे ताके अंत न पाए जाहे. Meaning, here Guru Nanak Ji says that many seekers have tried to find the extent of Almighty's limits since forever, but they cannot be perceived. It is impossible to determine the limits of this created universe. However, one should make an effort to recognize what Almighty has already given you, as God is abundantly generous. His grace overflows everywhere, and stop wasting time to find the infinite divine, as mentioned in Sri Guru Granth Sahib Ji on Ang 25. तू दरियाओ दाना बीना मैं मछली कैसे अंत लहा. Meaning, you are the river, all knowing and all seeing, my dear Almighty, whereas I am just a small fish. How can I ever find your limit? Now, moving back to the body. ਇਹੋ ਅੰਤ ਨਾ ਜਾਣੈ ਕੋਈ ਬਹੁਤਾ ਕਹੀਏ ਬਹੁਤਾ ਹੋਏ ਵੱਡਾ ਸਾਹਿਬ ऊंचा थाऊ ऊंचे ऊपर ऊंचा नाउ. Meaning, here Guru Nanak Ji starts by saying no one knows his ends, and the further one explores, the greater it becomes to be explored. Now, to simplify, friends, imagine a huge ocean. We may believe we are aware of its depths at first. However, as we go farther and discover more, we come to understand the enormity, the vastness of the ocean, and that still there is so much that is unknown. As such, Guru Nanak Ji similarly encourages us to accept the infinite character of the Almighty and that it cannot be defined. Then, Guru Sahib goes on to say that the Almighty is highest of all, and above all is Almighty's name or Naam. It is only through the power of Naam that we can become closer to Almighty. Now, moving to the last part of the body. एवड ऊंचा होवे कोई तिस ऊंचे को जाने सोए जेवड आप जाने आप नानक नदरी करमी दात. Meaning, Guru Nanak Ji explains to us that the only way to know God is to become as great as He is. But that is not possible. Then Guruji concludes by saying that only God Himself is aware of His greatness, and it is only through His grace or another that one can reach there through Naam. My dear friends, through 24th Pauri, Guru Nanak Dev Ji teaches us that instead of trying to define infinity of the divine, we should try to come under His grace through recitation of Naam and good actions. We, as human beings, are incapable to comprehend His greatness, but He has given us the bridge of Naam to reach Him, to know Him. I hope this brings some value to you and your family. Thank you.